Hey everyone, it's Jess Ideas, and for those of you that have been subscribed for a really long time, you'll know that I haven't switched my phone in almost 5 years. This is the OnePlus One. It was released 6 years ago, and I've used it all the way up until now. I recently bought myself a Google Pixel 3. This is a 2018 flagship as a gift for myself. And plus, when it was first released in 2018, I believe the list price was around $800 to $900. And today you can get a new one on Amazon for about $300. So that's the price I paid for it. And it's really nice to finally move on to a new phone. So today I have this unboxing. And as you can see, I just have the OnePlus One next to the Google Pixel 3, just for size comparison. But if viewers are interested, I'd be happy to do a comparison video or even an update on what it's like to use a OnePlus One in 2020. Getting this phone was pretty exciting for me. I mean, it has really amazing reviews, even though it was never as popular as Apple or Samsung. But I did a lot of research on this phone, and it really has some great features, some really high quality specs, and for the price of $300, it's really hard to beat. So here I'm just quickly going over the things that are in the box itself. So there's a little manual. I believe the Pixel 4 was recently released, but it was priced at, I think, $800 to $900, which is out of my range. I figured if I can get 2 years of usage on a $300 phone, that's already worth it, but I would only spend like $800 to $900 on a phone that I really, really liked and considered perfect. My OnePlus One, I believe I purchased that 5 years ago for a little bit under $300. So as you can see, I really do my in-depth tech research because I want to get the most value out of my money. So the Pixel 3 is USB-C. This is the charging block. Looks a bit like the Apple charging block, actually. And this phone comes with Pixel Buds. So these are not wireless earbuds, unfortunately, but they do connect into the charging port. So they're Google's own line of earphones. So there's the charging cord, the adapter, and the block on the left is excellent for transferring all your files, contacts, apps, photos, and information over from your old phone to your new Google Pixel. So here, I'm just going to take this tool, open the SIM tray. The Google Pixel 3 supports a nano SIM setup. So I actually had a micro SIM. I've been with T-Mobile for a very long time, and they actually wanted me to pay $30 for a new SIM card. I was not doing that, so I went on eBay and I ordered this brand new T-Mobile nano SIM for $4. And yeah, it works. I mean, I just called the number, I got it activated, works pretty well. I've already tried calling with it, so that's a budget tip for those of you that are trying to save on the SIM card price. Just gonna turn it on. I was a little bit nervous buying a new phone from Amazon just because a lot of people say you get refurbished devices, you know, it's not really brand new. But so far, it's been working pretty well. There are no issues with screen resolution or discoloration that other reviews have mentioned. So I would say smooth sailing so far. So here I'm just setting up my Google. And yeah, I have to get used to the interface. I mean, you have to imagine I've been using my OnePlus for 5 years. I kind of have to get used to the new screen, the new system. This is actually currently running Android 9, but there is a software update available for Android 10. And Google has promised that it will support software updates up to Android 12, which is exciting. I bought this case from an Amazon seller. I can put more details below if you're interested. It comes with this free screen protector. I've gotten a lot of recommendations to get a glass screen protector, but I figured, this plastic one is free. Might as well just use it in the meantime. I thought this case was really cute. There are a lot more cuter case options for the Pixel 3a, which is the more budget-friendly version of the 3, but because this is the older phone, it took some digging around Amazon to get a cute case. So this color is called Not Pink. I'm holding it up to a pink notebook to show you that against a pink object, it doesn't seem very pink, but against white, it looks pink. So hence the name Not Pink. I believe the other color options for the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL are clearly white and just black. So here I'm just going to slide it into this case. And there you go. That's the Google Pixel 3. Let me know if there's interest in a full review of this phone, but I'll be enjoying using my new phone after 5 years with the OnePlus One. Thanks for watching.